start with the exercise 9.3. Carry out the multiplication of expression in each of the following pairs. So in this exercise we have to multiply the binomials with each other, or maybe the trinomial with the monomials with each other. So simply we just have to do the multiplication with the numeral factor with each other and the variable factor within each other. I will do the two questions from the exercise 9.3, question number 1, and rest of you have to do them. Can you do that, Sukaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you pick any question for me? Any two questions for me, or any three questions for me. I will do in which question, by looking at that you face difficulty, ma'am, that I think that I cannot solve this part. You have to help me and you have to guide me here, okay? Exercise 9.3, question number 1, part 1. Just tell me, Sukaina.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which part?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. So in the first one, which I cannot solve, right? In 1, 2, 3.
Yes, you have to pick a part for me.
I would choose the.
I think the third, that is the scare, or it is
Yeah.
easy and the difficult. Third part.
That's easy.
Okay, that's easy.
That I will take the fifth one
Okay.
and the fourth.
I have to do the fifth and fourth part.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do the fourth part. In the fourth part, the question is a square.
Okay, ma'am.
A square minus 9, and there is a comma between them. Then we have 4a. So we have to make a product. So for the product we have to put across a multiplication between two terms, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm going to put so this question will be look like this. You have to put a bracket sign, a squared 9 into bracket, then cross into 4a. Okay, then the answer will be, you just have to multiply number with number, and you have to multiply factor with factor. So here 4a is multiplied with this term also, and 4a will multiply with this term also, both terms, with both terms. Okay, so I will solve 4a with the first term. That will look like this. 4, there is a 1 with this term, that means 4 ones are 4.
Four.
And a, here is power of a is 1, here is the power is 2. What will become after multiplying both powers?
It will multiply 2 into 1, right?
No, there is 2, there is 1. A,
3.
very good, 3. So I have to put the minus sign as well here. So can a minus sign will also remain the same. We cannot change this term. We just following them, we just multiplying them, but the situation, the condition, the addition, the what is this called, operation will remain same. Operation will not change. Okay, now I will solve this 4a with 9. Now 4 nines are
4 9s are 36.
36. And does 9 has any other variable? No, 4 has the variable. I will use that variable with 36. This is how it will look. Okay,
Okay.
any confusion in this question, Sukaina?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will do the part, let me do the part fourth. I will do the part third one as well. Okay,
Okay. Wait, what panda is on me?
so the third one is a plus b. Okay, a plus b, then multiplying with a minus b. No, not a minus b, that is 7a square into b square. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have to multiply this whole term with first a, then with b. You have to help me here, Sukaina.
Okay, ma'am.
So 7 there is a 7, there is 1 with this a. Okay,
7a cube.
so I can say that the first term will multiply with 7a square b square, then plus b is multiplying with again 7a square b square. It will look like this. Okay, understood? Any question?
Ma'am, what about the b over there? It will be 7b cube.
Here I'm gonna solve. Here I put the multiplication sign. I will solve the one more step. Okay, so here it will look like 7 because a has a 1, 7 ones are 7, then this is power 1, and this power will add, it will give a cube, then b square. Is it?
Yes.
And there again 7 ones are 7, there is no a square will remain same, but there is a b, then it will become b cube.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Any
ma'am.
confusion?
No, ma'am.
Can I do the fifth part now?
The fifth one I'll take it.
You will do that?
It's 0, right?
Yes,
The
it will
whole
give the 0 answer. Very good.
Because multiplication.
Number 2 says complete the table. First expression, you can solve this table on your textbook. Okay, this is the first expression and this is the second expression. We have to make a product. Do you understood that? What is the kind of question is this?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, basically they didn't provide any expression here. They just separated the expression. We have to multiply them and write the answer in the table. I will do this and you will understood. If you didn't, then you can ask the question.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the question number 2. There is a first expression. This is the
Okay.
first expression. First expression says a. I will write the proper form. A into b plus c plus d. I have to solve this. I have to give the product. It's mean that a is multiplied with b, again with c, again with d. Okay, so it will look like this: a into b plus a into c plus a into d. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
You can just write this thing in your table. You can put the answer in your table.
Okay.
When you're done, let me know, then I have to do the next part.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? You just have to write this answer in your
Thanks.
yes.
Yeah, I'll do that, ma'am. Now I'm doing the second one.
Okay, you are doing your own at your own. You can do that.
I'm trying to do.
Yes, you can. You just have to multiply 5xy with x term, with 5 term, and with the minus 5 term. Okay.
So it will be
Yes, it will be.
x square y
Very good.
x y square
Very good.
minus 5xy
No. 5 fives are
25.
25.
X.
Very good. Exactly like that. No, for the third part. Move to the third part. Okay. You can complete this table. Then you show it to the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The screen, the table, you have done with this. Okay, the answer is the first one. Yes. Just little bit more. Yes. Little bit closer. Okay. 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p, correct. 4p 4q square 4p square, okay, correct. A square b c a b square a b, correct. All of them are correct. Very good, very good. Okay, now we have to move to the second part. No, third part. By looking the third part, does it looks easy or difficult to you?
Medium.
Medium, okay. Simply they just put a fraction here, but method will be same. They just put a fraction here.
Okay.
Okay, so for the question number 3, I will do these parts. I will do each part for you because it seems very difficult, okay? So the question number 3, first part says that a square into 2a. Now look at the power. Power becomes very huge. 22 is the power, 26 is the power, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And don't get confused by why they have so much high value of as a power. We can take any value as a power, okay? Question number 3, first part, that is a square into 2a 22. Then we have, I will have to put the bracket, then 4a 26. So it will look like this. I have to multiply the each term with each other. I will separate the numeral factor and the variable factor separately. I will put the 2 and 4 here first, okay? Then I will solve the a terms separately, like this: a into 2, a into 22, a into 24. Is it? Now 24.
It's 8.
Very good.
8 the square. What is
You just have to add all of them. Like 22, you can do the rough work. Always remember that you have to do the addition. 22, 24 and 2.
48.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. It says 48. It is 26. It's 26, not 24. 26. It's 26. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 here, 1 carry, then 50. It will become 50. So I have like answer A 50. I will write it down like 8 power A power 50. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think it is also the same, not that much difficult, isn't it?
Yes.
Now I will do the second part. The second part says that it will look like 2 into 3 xy, then product by minus 9 by 10, then it will look like x square and y square. This is the question. I will solve the numeral factors separately and the variable will be separate, okay? So solution: 2 into 3 here, by putting the product sign, minus 9 by 10 here, and the xy here, and the x square y square here, okay? Now how we have to solve this term? We can solve this term very easily by doing the cutting. Can we do the cutting?
Yeah, 3
By
3 ones are 3.
3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Very good. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So remaining answer is minus 3 by 5. Is it?
Yes.
Then x with x2, it will become x cube. Y with y square, alhamdulillah, y cube. Okay. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Now it seems easy or difficult?
Easy, ma'am.
How much easy?
Very easy.
Very easy. Here, write it down. Finish writing.
No, I'm writing.
The previous one.
I wrote that one.
Okay. Done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now I have to do the third part. Can you do that third part, Sukena? You just have to separate minus 10 with 3 and 6 and 5. You have to cancel them. Then with PQ. And same thing goes for the fourth term. Fourth term is the different. You just have to multiply all the x's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer will be x ki power 10.
Okay.
You have to do the third and fourth part.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Third and fourth, can you show it to the screen? Third and fourth. Okay, the answer for the fourth one is very good. X10. Very good. Very good. Now we will move to the question number 4 part. So the 4 has only 2 part. I will do the one and the another will be for your homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Same thing goes for the 5th part. In the 4th, in the simplify 3x is equal to 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we have to put the values of the x. In the simplify, there are x with 3, there is x with 4. You just have to solve first situation is x is 3 and for the second situation x is 1 by 2. Okay, understood? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
I will do the 4a. I have to do the 4a part or b part?
You can do the A1.
A. Okay, I will do the a part. So here this the question is 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3. This is the question. You can simply solve this first. You have to solve this completely and after when you get the last small amount, small expression, then you have to put the x. If you just put x in this equation will become a bit difficult for you. Okay, I will solve this for the x. So simply I will solve this. I will multiply 3 inside this term. It will look like 3 4s are 12.
3 4 12.
X with x becomes square. And 3 5s are
15.
15. 15x plus 3. This is the last expression. This is the expression. Now I have to solve this expression for x. First situation in which x is equal to 3. Where x is located, I just have to put the 3 there. Okay?
So it's 12 into 3.
Very good. 12 into 3 but with the square, na? With the square. Yes. And 15 with here 3 and plus 3. Now same thing. 3 squares mean I have to multiply 3 like 2 times. Yes. So 12, 3 3s are
9.
very good. 9. And here by multiplying 3 with the 15 I get 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 45. Okay. Then I have this 45 and plus 3. Now do this multiplication here. 12 into 9.
9. 2 9s are 18 plus 1.
9
100
very good. 108 minus 45 plus 3. So I have to, according to the odd mass rule, I have to do the addition first. 45, 46, 47, 48. 108 minus 48. Now I have to do the subtraction between these two numbers. Now give me the answer of by solving this subtraction.
108 minus 48 0 10 0 10 4 0 60.
Wait a minute. I think 45 plus 3 it becomes 48, but the answer is 66. If I solve 108 first, then the answer will be 63. No, I have to solve the addition first. So minus 45 I have to solve the subtraction first. When I subtracted 105 with 108 with minus 45, answer is 63. Answer is 63, and 63 plus 3, it will become 66. Okay, this is the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Now I will do this for the second part. Okay, second part. Here is the second part. It will look like this. Here I have to put the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. I just have to put x is equal to 1 by 2. So this expression, I have to use this expression again. This expression, okay, remember this expression. Okay, so I will write this expression 12x square minus 15x plus 3.
Yeah.
I just have to put the value of x, 12 here, 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Got it? I have to solve this. How I can solve this, Sukena? I have to, yes, 12 here. Yeah, here I have to solve this first. Na? I have to remove the square first. Then 1s are 1 and 2 square mean 4. Here. Okay. And then it will look like 15 will multiply inside this bracket. It will become 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Okay.
So why is it not 12 by 2?
12 is also multiplying because I just first solve the square root. Na? Square. That's why. In the next step, I will put 12 inside it. It will look like this. 12 by 4 minus.
We can do the shortest form, right?
Yes, we can. Simply I can do this, na? 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12.
12.
Yes, then it will become like this 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now these 2 3 will be added.
No, subtracted, right?
No, why subtracted? This is a plus and this 3 also has the plus.
Okay.
That's why,
like
na?
minus.
Yes. Minus is with the minus 15. I will move to the next page. Then it will look like 6 minus 15 by 2. No, how I will solve this?
2 1s are 2. 3 6.
No. If 2 is 6 is separated with 2, then I have to subtract it 15 also, na? 15 not present. I just do this. Do you know that how we can solve this term, like 2 is multiplied with this term and subtracted with this term? Know this thing?
No.
No. Okay. This is the improper fraction, mixed fraction, like this. You have to multiply this and add with this. Is it?
2
Yes.
plus 1 3. 2
Yeah.
1s are 2 and
2
plus
6 are
1
2 6 are 12
2 6 12.
minus 15 by 2. No, 12 minus 15.
0 and then 5 2 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3. 15 has a minus sign and 2. This is the complete answer. Understood? This is a long question. Kind of, hai na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so I will explain it to you again. In this equation, I have to use this expression which I solved from the previous part. I have to put the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. I put the value of x here where x is located. This is x square, this is simple x. When I put it down, this is square. I have to solve the square first. 1 square means 1. I have to multiply 1 like twice. Then 2 with twice, it will become 4. 1 by 4 minus 15 will multiply inside this bracket, and same thing happens with the 12. 12 multiply inside with this bracket. 4 is the exactly divisible of 12. It gives 3. 15 by 2 and 3 will remain the same, and this 3 and this 3 will add it. It will give us the plus 6 minus 15 by 2. I have to do this the thing in which I have to multiply 2 with 6, then minus with 15. I got this answer, which is minus 3 by 2. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the third part. The third part says that second part, this is the term a into a square plus a plus 1. You have to multiply a inside this equation and you have to form the expression. You just have to put in first, you have to put the a value 0, then a is equal to 1, then a is equal to minus 1. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
4
Can
b.
I write?
No, that is your homework.
Okay, ma'am. Can I write that
Yes,
first
yes,
one?
you can finish this from the first.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, from this page. This page.
Yeah.
To do the question number 5. In question number 5, these are the 4 different parts. 2 for the add, 2 for the subtract. I will solve the one part for addition, one part for the subtraction. Basically, we have to start from like this. It should look like this, that we have to solve the product first, then we have to add them. Okay, I will do the B and D part. It's okay.
Okay.
Fifth B part. So for the fifth B part, these are the two expression. First expression is 2x z minus x minus y. Let me know if I did any mistake with the variable, with the number and with the sign. Okay, 2y, because I just looked the question for once and I just write it down. 7 minus y minus x. Okay,
Okay.
is it okay? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to solve this expression first, then I have to do the addition. It means that I have to multiply this 2x with all the terms inside the bracket, and same thing goes for the 2y. Okay, so it will give me a 2xz. Okay, and this is x same, and the power will look like this, 2x square. Same thing for 2xy. Understood?
Yes.
Square minus 2xy. Same thing goes for the y. Here 2yz minus 2y square, and here it is x, then it will become minus 2xy. Got it?
2x square. Like, what's the 2x z minus 2x square minus 2x square.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I have to add these two terms, not these two. These two terms. Okay.
Okay.
I have to. I think that looks okay. I have to place x with below x, y with below y. Everything should be equal with each other, not the different. I will do this part in the next page. It will look like this, that the first expression is 2xz. 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. In the next expression, I have this term 2xy, which is equal with each other. Equal with each other.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to place 2xy below this. I will do this, that minus 2xy should be located below this, and the other values not match compatible with the other one. So I have to place all of them in the next step. It's mean that I have to place here. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, I will write it down because I don't have enough space in this page. 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy, and then the same value should be located with each other, placed with each other, then plus 2yz and the minus 2y square. Can you tell me why I put plus with 2yz by looking at this expression?
Because both are minus.
No, these are both minus. 2y square has the minus, xy has the minus. I put this with addition. Why? Because this term has addition. That's why. Here, look. Here. I just switch their places. I have to place xy under this. That's why I have to put this first, then remaining values. Okay, understood? I hope you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to solve this. Remember that we have to do the addition now. This thing will again same, and here plus. Got it? I told you this thing in the previous class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will become plus minus.
Plus.
No. This is the plus, this is the minus. First we have to solve these two, then these two. Okay?
Okay.
Plus minus minus. Now I have the minus. I have to solve minus minus plus. I have to add these two terms. It will give me
4.
4xy and minus 4xy, na?
Yes.
2xz is same. We don't have the compatible values. So now same thing, plus 2yz plus minus minus 2y square. I got the answer. Any question?
No, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
So this is how you can do this. First you have to solve this expression. When you solve them, you have to place the compatible values, which means that if this xy, xz, you have to place same xz below this number, same x square, but we have xy same, we place them with each other, and these two are different. We have to remember, take a notice that we have to use sign with them. If it is positive, if it is negative, sign should be same. And if there is nothing value under them, you have to keep them safe, keep them same, and then you have to solve this, this and this. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will do the subtraction part, then you can write it down. I will do the 5D part. Okay?
Later.
Already? Okay, very good. I will do the 5D part, which is kind of easy, but it looks tricky. Okay? 5D part. So it will look like this. I'm just gonna look the question for once, then I have to write it down. Okay, this is the whole term and this is the second term. Okay, so I will write the first term, I will solve it, then I will write the second term. Okay, if I write both together, you will get confused. 3a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c. This is the first term, isn't it?
Yes.
I have to solve this expression. I will multiply 3a inside this and minus 2b inside this. Okay, it will look like 3a square 3ab plus 3ac. Yes, any confusion, Sukena?
No, ma'am.
Now minus 2ab minus minus plus 2b square, and this is a plus minus 2bc. Any confusion here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is a first expression. Okay, this is the first expression. I have to solve it further. Can I solve it further, Sukena?
3ab and 2.
Yes, I can.
ma'am.
Yes, I can. I have to make them collective because they are square, then 3a square plus 2b square. Okay, now this is AB and this is AB. I can solve them.
Yes.
Okay, AB plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 give me the plus 1.
Minus.
No, plus 1, na? Plus AB plus 1AB. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. And there is no AC, there is no BC, so I can write it down like 3AC minus 2BC. This is the first expression. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to solve its second part. 4C minus A plus B plus C. 4C with inside that it will look like 4AC plus 4BC plus 4C square. Understood? Now I have to subtract this part. This is the second equation and this is the first equation. You have to write thing that subtract 1 and 2. Okay? Done? What's first? Because this is the expression bigger because of its numerical value. So I have to place the value which is compatible, like with AC, BC and C. Can you help me to pick where is AC in this? Do I have the AC in this expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I have the BC in this expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I have the C square in this expression?
No.
No. It means that I have to place AC and BC. So it will look like this. if I have the AC, that is plus 3 AC. Got it? I have the BC, but that is 2 BC. I don't have another value. I will write that here, not under them. 3A square plus 2B square plus AB. Understood? Any question?
No, ma'am.
I have to subtract them. Minus, 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 minus. So minus here, minus, minus.
Plus.
So it will give answer 4 plus 3, 7 AC. But I have to use the sign with 4. That is minus 7 AC. Okay. So these two minus, minus, minus.
Plus.
Very good. But plus, plus. Yes, plus. By 4, 2 is equal to plus 6 BC. Here I have to use the minus, na? No, here is a plus. Then plus 4C square. Same. Plus, minus, minus. Minus 3A square. With all the terms we have to use the minus. Minus 2B square. Minus AB. This is the complete answer. Yes, Sukaina, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Which says we have to multiply two binomials with each other. This is a very simple method to do this question. I will do the third, fifth and sixth, and remaining 1, 2, 3 will be done by you. So let's do the third part.
Third one? Okay, ma'am.
Yes, third one. I will start from the question number 1, third part.
Okay, ma'am.
So third part is look like this: 2.5 L minus 0.5 M multiply. Oh, I just took so much place. I have to complete whole term in the first page. Okay, 2.5 L minus 0.5 M, then multiply with 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. I have to solve each term. It means that I can break this part to multiply with this part. Can I do that, Sukaina?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will place 2.511 here. I will multiply this whole with this expression, one term with whole expression, 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Done?
Yes.
Now I have to put negative sign because I'm taking this whole term, na? Then 0.5 M here.
Yes.
Then this term again, 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Done?
Yes.
Can I move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means that I have, no, this is the 0.5. There is a points between them. So your multiplication should be very clear. Okay. Now I have to multiply 2.5 first, then 2.5 with 0.5. Do you know that the point multiplication?
Yes.
5 5s are
Yes.
25. 5 5s are 25. And then 2.5. We have to, can you just give me the multiplication of 2.5, give me the complete answer?
2.5 into 2. Yes, ma'am. I'll do the 2.5. One.
I think it will give us 6.5, isn't it?
6.25.
6.25 L square.
Okay.
So first term 6 point L square and now 2.5 with 0.5. It gave us 1.25. 1.25 LM. Now the another term minus again 1.25 M because these two are same. 1.25 LM. Then minus with 0.25 M square. Understood how I did that?
Yes, ma'am.
This with this term, then with this term. This term, then with this term. Okay?
Okay.
So now you have to do the plus and minus. Now I have to solve the plus and minus.
Okay.
This is M, this is M, and this is M. I have to solve the M value first. No, for the L. These both are LM, these both are LM. Solve 1.25, 1.25.
Okay, ma'am.
That is subtracted, na? That is the minus term, that is a plus term. When we have the same value but different sign, we can cancel them, isn't it?
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am.
6.25 L square, then minus 0.25 M square. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Now I have to solve these two. What will be the answer for these two? Can I solve them, these two?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
What?
I can solve these two. This is M, this is L.
No, that's
No,
yeah.
that is the complete answer. We
Okay.
cannot solve it further. If they have the same L, same M, then we can solve. They both have the same LM. That's why I can cancel them. But this situation is not compatible. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So can I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion like a 0.01%?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to do the which part?
The third one. No. The
Third, done with the third one.
fifth one.
2PQ.
I'll write after you can solve all.
Yes, you can. So for the fifth part, that is 2. Now you have to listen and understand. Okay, I will give you time. We have enough time for the writing.
Okay.
3Q square multiply into 3PQ minus 2Q square. Now I have to solve this term. I have to open one term and multiply with the other term. 2PQ here and whole 3PQ minus 2Q square here plus this whole term 3Q square, then 3P cube minus 2Q square. Help me here, Sukaina, to solve this.
Yeah, ma'am. 2PQ, 3PQ minus 2.
Now help me to solve this first term.
2PQ and
2 3s are
6P square Q square.
very good.
And
Next
then
term?
it is minus 4P and Q cube.
Very good. Now for this term
3 square 9P cube Q cube.
Q cube. Very good. Yes,
3,
yes.
2, 6 Q cube. No. Q4.
Very good. Now does they have any similarity or any same value? I can solve them.
Yes.
Which one?
4P Q cube and 9P.
Very good. Now minus 4 plus 9 gave me
It is minus 5
minus or plus 5?
plus 5 P square and cube.
No, just P Q cube.
Oh,
Yes. Then minus 6Q4. This is the complete answer. Any confusion? Any question?
no, ma'am.
Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. I got the
6 part there are the expression we can solve this. It seems difficult, but it is a longer expression. Okay, let me do this. This is the sixth part in which we have to do this. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square. Okay, this is the first term. Then we have, and the next term we have the value 4 and then I have to put the bracket, then this bracket, then it will look like a square minus 2 3 b square. So how I can do this? I think I have to solve 4 inside it. When I get the correct answer, then I have to multiply both of them. Okay, because there is a 4 now. I have to multiply this 4 inside this expression. Then it will look like 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4a square minus, now 4 I have to multiply with 2 by 3 term. What it will look like?
What is it? Will look like 4.
Let me do this here. 4 into 2 by 3. Then it will multiply with 2. It will give 8 by 3. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. 4 2s are 8 by 3 b square.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I can solve this. Now I can open the one term and I can multiply with each other. Okay?
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is the first term, this is the second term. So I will write it down like here, 3 4a square. 4a square minus 8 by 3 into b square, close. Now plus 3b square, here 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Does it look scary?
What, ma'am?
Does this question look scary?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we just have to multiply this whole term inside with this term with this and this. I will do on the next part, next page.
Okay, ma'am.
So the first look will look like this. Here I can do this. This 4 will be cancel with this. Okay. Cancel with this one. Then a2 will become 4. It will give 3a power 4. Understood?
Okay.
Then minus, I have here 8 by 3 b square. Is it? I can subtract that 3, I guess. Can I?
Okay. No, ma'am.
That 4 is subtracted, 4 1s are 4, then that also separated with this term. 4
Yeah,
2s
4
are 8. Yes, and this 3 is also subtracted with this term, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically they are solving like this. Here they were doing this question like this, like step by step. Here look, 3 by 4 a square. I am going to solve this with the first term, that is 4a square, and minus I am going to solve this term again with the 8 by 3 square. 8 by 3 b square. This is how you have to solve this.
Okay.
Now here 4 and 4 is cancelled. I got 3a power 4. Okay. And in this 3 is 3 cancel. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are. I hope you are listening.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into a square b square. Now this is for the first expression. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other question?
No, ma'am. Can I write?
You didn't understood?
No, I understood it.
Understood. This is for this expression. This. Okay, now I have to solve for this. I will write that plus, and it will look like plus 3b square with 4a square, and then minus 3b square with minus 8 by 3 b square. Is it?
Yes.
And it will give 3 into 4, 12 a square b square, and then minus
Plus.
no, we have to use the minus will remain here. Now 3 cancel. I have only minus 8 b power 4. Yes, Sukaina, understood. Now this and this is for this term, and for this I have the answer, this one, this. Now I will write like a properly. 3a power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12b square a square minus 8b4. Understood?
Yes.
Do I have to cancel or do the addition subtraction with any of them? Can I?
No.
Why no? Look carefully. Carefully.
Yes.
Between which of them?
Between 2a square b square
Very good.
plus 12b square a square.
And then answer will be? I just have to subtract 12 with 2. Answer will be
10
plus 10 or
Yes,
minus 10?
plus 10
Plus
b
10
square.
a square and b square and minus 8b power 4. I hope you understood.